wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. How are you, dear students? I hope you all are fine. Okay, we are going to start the next class, the next topic. But before starting the next topic, we will revise the previous lesson. We will start the class with duas. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul 'uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. Rabbi zidni ilma. Allahumma faqihna fid din. Okay, so dear students, open your textbook. It's your science period. First of all, we will revise the previous lesson. What we have learned in the previous lesson, we learned that how cells they are very much important, how cells they play an important role in making of any organism, how they are important. And also we have learned about the difference between plants and animal cells, and we learned that how the plant cells are different from animal cells, and which organelles are present in animal cell and that are absent in the plant cell or other someone else. Okay, now the next thing is about, as we have learned plant and animal cells, today we are going to learn what is present inside these cells. We have learned that plant cells are different from animal cells, but how they are different from plant and animal cells, how they are different from each other? They are different in terms of their organelles. Okay, but today our topic is what are cell organelles and their function. What will be the function of these cell organelles? Okay, now you have to open the textbook page 8. Here are different functions which are given here. You can see here the part of cell, the nucleus, cytoplasm, chloroplast, cell membrane, cell wall, vacuole. These are all the parts that are present inside the cell. And look at these paragraphs. These paragraphs represent the functions of these cell organelles. Okay, these paragraph, what they are representing? They are representing their function. Okay, first we are going to gain information about the nucleus. Nucleus is the central part of the cell. Nucleus, we will see it in later slides, that nucleus will be the central part of the cell, and it is the main part which control all the activities of the cell. Okay, what is the function of brain in your body? Tell me, what will be the function of brain in your body? Brain, it control all the activities of your body. Same like that, the nucleus, it will responsible to the controlling all the activities which are taking place in the cell. Okay, it has the DNA, and in which genes are present, and genes are the parts of chromosomes which store information to be passed down from one generation to the next. All the information which are passed on to the next generation, and all the information which are passed on to the offsprings, just like your eye color, it resembles with your mother's eye color. So how the eye color passes from your mother to your body? What is the thing that controls what is the thing that stored that information, and that information has passed from your mother to yourself? So the genes is that one which is responsible for storing the information that is transferring from parents to offspring. Okay, the next thing is about the cytoplasm. It is jelly like, and it contains all the other parts of the cell. The next thing is chloroplast. It is the disc-like structure. It contains the green pigment, that is chlorophyll. And the chlorophyll, what is the function of chlorophyll? It will trap light so that the plants will make their own food during photosynthesis, and this is the part that is present in plant cell and that is absent in animal cell. Okay, cell membrane. It controls the movement of material inside and outside the cell. The cell wall, it is the strong and stiff structure, and it is present in plant cell, but this is also absent in animal cell. The next thing is about the vacuole. Vacuole, it contains the sugar. It contains the sugar and mineral salts that are dissolved in water, and the difference between the plant and animal cell is that chloroplast is present in plant cell and it is absent in animal cell. Cell wall is present in plant cell but it is absent in animal cell. Okay, the vacuole, the single large vacuole is present in the plant cell, but the many smaller vacuoles are present in animal cell. Okay, now we will discuss about the function of these organelles in detail. That nucleus, look at this one. Look at this one. This is the structure which shows about the cell. Look at this one. This is the central part. This is the nucleus. Okay, cytoplasm. How can we define the cytoplasm in this diagram? Look at this one. Look at this one. The distance between the nucleus and outermost layer, it is the cytoplasm. Look at this one. This all structure that surrounds the nucleus, this is the cytoplasm. This is jelly-like structure, and inside the cytoplasm all the materials are present, and cell membrane is also present here. It controls all the activities taking place inside the cell. It contains the genetic material in the form of chromosomes. Okay, next thing is about the chloroplast. Chloroplast, they are responsible in the photosynthesis process and they are present only in plants and they are absent in animal cell. Next thing is about the vacuoles. They are the storage organelles, as they store food or waste in solution form and maintain the volume of the cell. As we have already discussed that the single large vacuole is present in the plant cell but many smaller vacuoles are present in animal cell. An organelle is a subcellular structure that has one or more specific jobs to perform in the cell, much like an organ does in the body. Just like any organ work in your body, just like the heart. What is the function of the heart? It pumps the blood. So the job of the heart is to pumping the blood, is in pumping blood. Same like that, different organelles, they are responsible for different jobs. Means all the organelles, they are doing their own work in the cell. An organelle is a structure within the cytoplasm of cell that is enclosed with a membrane and performs a specific jobs. This is the same like we already discussed. And here is another diagram, and you have to draw this diagram and you have to label and search these organelles. This is another diagram. This is the same thing that represents about the organelles present in the plant cell, and here is the animal cell organelles. Now look at this one. Here you can differentiate between the plant and animal cells diagram. This diagram shows the plant cell and this diagram shows the animal cell. Okay, you have to draw the diagram of cell. As you can easily see here, this is a simple diagram of a cell, and you have to identify the maximum cell organelles in this diagram, and you have to draw this on a loose sheet. Also you have to write the question number 4 on loose sheet that is given in the next slide. That is all. Subhanakallahumma wa bihamdika nashhadu la ilaha illa anta astaghfiruka wa atubu ilaik. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.